Hello little scientists. Today we are going on a journey to find out the secret that lies in the food we eat every day. Well, I am talking about the fats and proteins, and for that we are going to see some cool experiments. So, are you all set to become food detectives? Come on, let us see the first experiment. In this experiment, we will test the presence of fats in the food sample. To perform this test, we'll need a few basic things like a piece of paper, a dropper, and some food samples like potato, cucumber, bread, boiled rice, oil, crushed peanuts, and butter. Now, the next step is to place each of these items on a separate piece of paper. Once done, gently wrap the paper around the food and press it. But my young detectives, be careful not to tear the paper. If the food has a bit of water, let the paper dry for a moment. And now the big reveal. Hold the paper against the light once it's dry. Do you see any shiny, oily patch on it? Download the Toppscholars app to watch the complete video. Unlock premium access for 24/7 unlimited doubt solving with expert teachers.